floss up, these people will laugh at me, yeah. They say, little yellow, you too floss up, they me, laugh at you, yeah. But I'm back in that for no. What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. Hey, we're shooting this video here coming from Kansas City, and we wanted to talk about here making some money with this 60-day income challenge. Now, I definitely want to say shout out to everyone that's setting up their free account as well. But in order to actually see to see results, guys, you also have to set up your income streams. Okay, so again, shout out to everybody that's joined, shout out to everybody that has set up their income streams, and shout out to everyone that hasn't set up their income streams. But with any of these programs, yes, it is free for you to set them up and join them at times, but you got to set things up. You got to join them to actually benefit from them. There's ways that you're not going to be able to make money in this business if you do not position yourself. So you got to get positioned. So shout out again to everyone that's joining, but you got to get positioned. And for you guys that are looking for the income streams here, these are all going to be for the new marketer here. So this is somebody, and there's so many people joining particular programs, flavors of the week, and all these guys. But there's the best things to be a part of is something that's going to help everyone. When you're in this business or this space, you need marketing systems. You need things that do all the selling and telling for you. You need things that brand you. You need things that's going to teach you the ins and outs of marketing. So a lot of programs that you guys hear me talking about, that's what it does. With this particular income stream and this funnel that's in the 60-day challenge, you have your marketing system up front. The secondary income stream is that you have your SMS lead tech, SMS leads. So you're able to earn a residual from that, so where you can actually purchase leads, you can actually send anything when it comes to text message marketing or SMS marketing, voicemail drops, things of that nature. You can definitely do that with that particular part of back. But it's going to allow you to do text message marketing as far as blasting text. You can do voicemail drops. You can actually have recorded messages. So when anyone calls your number, you can actually have a recording. You can send messages to them, after they listen to your particular recording of the video. So there's a lot of nice things that you can do with SMS leads as well. The third income stream is going to be Udemy solo ads, where you can purchase leads from. These are people that have built their email list up of targeted marketers. These marketers on the list are people that have shown interest in making money online in some type of way, that they want to make money. So with this particular lead source as well, with this type of system, you're able to generate leads. Now, these are not leads where you can actually purchase and call them. There's another funnel that I have for that on that system. These are people that where you're getting is more clicks. So if someone, if you buy 200 clicks, you can possibly get 100 opt-ins, which will be 100 leads. Or you can get 300 clicks and possibly 200 leads. That's what we mean by clicks. So it's not necessarily where you're getting a name and a number and you're paying for 200 people. It's literally, it's not that. So this is where you're able to earn an income at, because anytime someone purchases leads or purchases traffic, then you're going to get paid as well from that particular system. So that's why it's actually 3 income streams with the business. So you're getting your marketing system up front, you're going to get the SMS leads, and then you're also it's going to be for Udemy. So this is where I say, if you're going to be a part of this business, or if you're going to use the funnel, guys, you want to be positioned, because you don't want to lose money, man. One thing that you can do, you can say, oh, I want to be a part of an online business, but if you're not positioning yourself, you're not going to make money. And that's where I come in at and say, guys, get positioned so you can make money. So if someone comes in and income stream number 1, you're going to get that. Then when they go through income stream number 2, you're going to get that. And income stream number 3, you're going to get that. Okay? So that's literally the only way that you're going to see profits, man. So again, shout out to everyone that's taking the challenge. I'm going to keep shooting videos about this. If you're looking to get an additional $200 to $500 back from your 9-to-5 check, there's a link for that. So if you're saying, Jay, I'm pressed for money on joining a business, you can definitely take a part of that. And we're going to show you how to fill out your W-4 correctly, where you can benefit by bringing additional $200 to $500 home, because you're considered an online business. You have an online business now. And then you can use that money to, position yourself in other programs to really make the big bucks, okay? So again, guys, I'm going to wrap this video on up. I definitely want you guys to take advantage and to be a part of the 60-day challenge. Also, I have another funnel down at the bottom where you're able to earn an additional $25 to $2,000 instantly into your PayPal, into your bank account. So, you know, the sky's the limit with us. We show you the way, but it's about you jumping on the wave with us, okay? So I'm going to leave everything down at the bottom. You just get yourself positioned in some type of way. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And from my squad to your squad.